Today I'll show this phone is now Walton Primo nh4. This phone is touch, so how to remove touch and replace touch. So I use at first hot gun and unplug this screw, all side screw. I unplug this already screw and soldering this all side this phone. I use sticks and cutting this line. Cutting this all side and unplugging this stud and unplug this cover. See now, I unplug this screw and unplugging this back cover and see now touch line, and I unplug this touch line. Wait few seconds, unplug this touch line and this ribbon is unplugged and remove speaker line. So I removing speaker line and unplug this antenna network cable and remove this socket. Remove this socket and wait. Unplugging this touch line. Wait few seconds and soldering all side this touch and disabling the plug this touch. See now, and remove this touch fully remove this touch, this phone, remove this touch, and I clean this all side. You clean this all side your phone, so I clean this my phone all side. And I open this display, this side, and open this side now. See now, open this side. So I clean this all side, this phone. This new task, see now, new task, and set up this new task. I set up this new task. So at first unplug this display line and set up this task Wait few seconds. I set up this task. Set up this tasking line, tasking point. Set up, fully set up. So I use this gum all side. So I use this gum all side and unpack this task again. Now I use this gum all side. Use this gum. And use this gum all side. Uncover the sticker. Uncover the sticker and plug in the task. Now plug in this task. And fully completed this phone is set up. Task line. Set up this socket. This task and I open this phone. Press power button. This task is working. So guys, thank you. Bye bye.